credit starts with the 4, 5, or 6, this is for you. There is a loophole called the FCRA law, which allows anyone to permanently remove student loans, hospital bills, repo, evictions, collections, anything affecting your credit score if it has been sold to a debt collector. Since you have no wet signature with this debt collector, your chances of getting it permanently removed are really high. This is why I emphasize so much on my page if you go to my other content on why you should never ever pay back a debt collector. Sure, you can pay it, but if you do pay it, keep in mind that it will not come off your credit score. It will not increase your credit score. It will just show off as paid. Start disputing. You dispute a negative item, that means that it will completely come off your credit score permanently. It will no longer show on there and your credit score will increase. You need a copy of my pre-written dispute letters. Here's a sample so you can check them out. You pretty much just fill it out and I provide all addresses from A to Z, everything you need to do step by step, my credit repair system. Let me know down below. I do work with a few select people, so first come, first serve. We'll get you on road to that 700 credit club by summer.